Landlord Help Hub invites Jerry Ziegler as a subject matter expert for taxes as the landlord. This course is for landlords to help landlords understand tax preparation from an enrolled agent's perspective, and also understand maybe some of the bookkeeping that might need to go with that, or the thought process for making big decisions. Some of the benefits of this course are going to be understanding the different business entities from a federal tax standpoint, some of the biggest tax maybe consequences that landlords might face, and what depreciation is and how it plays into depreciation recapture. That's a question we see a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm glad, Jerry, that you're here to talk about that. Also hope to help landlords understand how they will reduce their net income, but how that also has tax implications. And Jerry often chimes in on our forums with information about it's not always just as simple as writing something off. So we're glad that he'll be here to help handle those sorts of questions for us. And Jerry can speak to how an enrolled agent can help a landlord in their tax preparation, as well as throughout the year, in order to make wise choices throughout the year. So as a landlord, you could go try to look all this up on YouTube, and maybe you piece it together from qualified individuals, or maybe not. So we have asked Jerry here to be our qualified individual and let our landlords know what they need to do for tax preparation purposes. We hope that you enjoy this course. Please check below for links to our website, our course, our Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy landlording.